He's so cute. Isn't he? Oh, look at his leg.
Well, he's starting to
He's
turn.
just a little pup. He's so cute.
Mosquitoes are awful.
Okay, see? Oh, I think you should put him back because then the mummy's gonna come back and she's gonna realize she's not there. I suggest you go put him in. Can we see him for a second? Bye, birdie. Bye-bye. Oh, no, you want me to leave this here for the evening?
Yeah, I just set it there and the mosquitoes are
Let's go in, Brock.
Okay.